In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a click-to-call link or a mail-to link in HubSpot. This is perfect if you want visitors to instantly call your business or send you an email with just one click. Whether you're working on a website page, landing page, blog post, email, or even a CTA, I'll walk you through everything step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add both phone and email links anywhere inside HubSpot. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, let's create a click-to-call link using the tell format. Start by going to your HubSpot content editor. This could be a website page, a landing page, a marketing email, or a blog post. Open the page where you want to add the phone link. Now, highlight the text that you want users to click on. For example, you might type something like, "Call us now," and then highlight that text with your mouse. Once the text is highlighted, click on the link icon in the Rich Text toolbar. It looks like a small chain link symbol. After clicking the link icon, a URL field will appear. In this box, you'll type your phone link using this format, tell:+123456789. Make sure you include the +sign and country code if applicable, and avoid spaces or special characters. Once you've entered the number correctly, click Apply or Insert. That's it. Now when someone clicks that text on a mobile device, their phone will automatically prompt them to make the call. Next, let's create a mail-to link so users can send you an email instantly. The process is very similar. Highlight the text you want to turn into an email link. For example, email us. After highlighting the text, click the same link icon in the toolbar. In the URL field, type your email link using this format, mailto:_yourname@example.com. Make sure there are no spaces between mail-to and the email address. Then click Apply or Insert. Now when someone clicks that link, their default email application will open with your email address automatically filled in. This makes it incredibly easy for visitors to contact you without copying and pasting anything. Now let's look at how to add a click-to-call or mail-to link inside a HubSpot CTA. To do this, go to your main dashboard and navigate to Marketing, then Lead Capture, and click on CTAs. Choose the CTA you want to edit or create a new one. Inside the CTA editor, you'll see a field labeled Link URL. Instead of pasting a normal web page link, you can enter the same formats we used earlier. For phone calls, type tell:+123456789. For email, type mailto:_yourname@example.com. Once entered, save your changes. This allows your CTA button to directly trigger a phone call or open an email draft instead of sending users to another page. Finally, once you've added your links, make sure to save and publish your page, email, blog post, or CTA. Always test the link after publishing to ensure it works correctly, especially on mobile for phone links. And that's how you create click-to-call and mail-to links in HubSpot. It's quick, simple, and extremely effective for increasing conversions and making it easier for customers to reach you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more HubSpot tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.